வா வா. தம்பி குறுக்க போ.
ஹலோ தம்பி, சேகர்னா முன்னாடி போவாதீங்க, நீங்க தான் வருவாங்க.
Gentlemen, on double Signal Company Agency, yes, sir, we must be caught. Very much caught. God! Bunker! Just...
All board of management.
பின்னாடி.
Now, invocation. I invite the Vice Chancellor to deliver the welcome address and annual report.
Chief guest of the day, Her Excellency Srimati Meera Kumari, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, esteemed and distinguished invitee Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, Chairman ISRO, Honorable Chancellor of SRM University, esteemed Pro-Chancellor Tripi Ravi, the Pro-Vice Chancellors Dr. R. Shivakumar and Dr. T.P. Ganesan, members of the Board of Management and the Academic Council, my colleagues, respectful parents and guests, my beloved graduates, our friends from the press and media, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the university and on my own behalf, I extend a warm welcome to every one of you here on the occasion of the 5th convocation of SRM University, which coincides with the completion of 25 years of human service in the field of higher education at the SRM Engineering College, the flagship constituent college of SRM University. At the outset, I highly congratulate the 4,519 graduates and IN PhD scholars who will be awarded that degree today. It is further indeed a matter of pride and privilege that the university is conferring honorary doctorate to Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, the chairman of ISRO. This year's convocation is indeed a very special one because it has also been a very successful year overall for SRM University, as it has been ranked as the number 1 under the category of the multiple stream universities in India by the Times of India Education Times JFK Mode 2009 survey. Already accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, now in 2010, the SRM University has gone through the ABET accreditation, the accreditation board for engineering and technology in the USA. Infrastructure development. The university gives top priority to upgrade and modernize the existing facilities and to add the new ones. This auditorium is one such manifestation of the efforts undertaken in this direction. Others include 2 15-storied buildings, multi-storied hostels that can accommodate more than 12,000 students and 100 staff quarters. Enhancement of teaching and learning process. In order to be on par with the recent advances and the developments in the IT-enabled teaching, innovations in teaching and learning process have become very essential. Some of the initiatives taken by SRM University in this direction are as follows. In tune with the current trend and in order to enhance the teaching learning process, the smart classrooms at a cost of rupees 15 crores have been constructed with the state-of-art teaching facilities. The university also extends financial support to the deserving students by providing area scholarships. This year alone, 800 students, about almost 20% of the students admitted, have availed the scholarship. To equip the students with the versatility to interact globally, teaching of French, German, Japanese, and Chinese languages has been included in the curriculum. Training to improve the employability of the potential of students is done from the first year itself. It includes psychometric profiling to understand the strength and weakness of the students and to take appropriate measures at a very early stage. The semester abroad program, which is a unique one of the university, is successfully running into its third year. Students from the university are sponsored to undergo a semester of study in reputed universities abroad. Currently, 150 students are successfully studying in reputed universities. Two of such students who have been offered placements in the foreign companies, like they are undergoing SAP at this time. It includes an offer from Seagate Technologies Inc. USA with a salary package of about $2 lakh per year. The university regularly sponsors the faculty to visit the other foreign universities so that the international best practices can be implemented at SRM also. SRM University makes it a point to conduct frequent faculty development programs to expose our own faculty to the recent developments and to showcase the in-house achievements in our own expert areas. Last academic year alone has seen such 7 events. Students and faculty have also won several awards, competing with the best internationally. The prize-winning award of the International Hybrid Auto Rickshaw Project, executed by the undergraduate students, and the Lifetime Achievement Award by the Indian Association of Applied Microbiology to 2 of our faculty members are a few of such achievements of great pride for the university. Industry Institute Interaction. SRM University is taking a lot of initiatives in the area of Industry Institute Interaction to establish a closer linkage in the area of on-site education program, consulting, setting up of industry-supported R&D labs, joint research, exchange programs, and other areas of great interest. One of the very unique initiatives is the setting up of a Center for Japanese Studies jointly by the SRM University and by the Indo-Japan Chamber of Commerce and Industry in 2009. Research. The different faculty of the university run about 17 doctoral programs and have about 516 research scholars who are working for the doctoral degrees. The faculty has published 150 papers in the international journals, 200 in the national journals, 177 in international and national conferences so far in this academic year. The Pilot Project Scheme, which is one of the most unique programs initiated by the university, is quite unique. Under this scheme, the proposals from different schools and departments are approved with the internal funding. 40 such projects are presently in progress to a advantage to blossom into agency-funded projects. The university has received a total amount of rupees 655.88 lakhs toward 17 major collaborative projects in the fields of engineering and health science. A unique way of encouraging research in the university is by giving incentive for obtaining funded project by giving 2% of the sanctioned amount from the university funds. International initiatives. Employing visiting professors from reputed foreign universities and enrolling foreign students are some of the measures undertaken to enhance the academic quality and the environment to match those of international standards. SRM University has signed the MOUs with several institutes of repute to foster research, exchange of technical know-how, student and faculty exchange programs, and other related areas. The dual degree program has been initiated, which enables the students to enjoy the benefit of both studying at SRM University and at another foreign university. Community development programs. To improve the awareness on the health-related issues, many interactive programs have been conducted, including World Breastfeeding Day, National Nutrition Week, World Heart Day,